हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है आपके यूट्यूब चैनल पे ऑल सब्जेक्ट कनेक्शन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं सब्जेक्ट साइंस क्लास 8 का एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन आंसर चैप्टर 4 कंबशन एंड फ्लेम का एक्सरसाइज हम दिखाने वाले हैं आपको। स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, लिस्ट कंडीशन अंडर विच कंबशन कैन टेक प्लेस। आंसर, condition under which combustion can take place are as follow। इसका है ए है एयर, बी है द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर, सी है इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस। आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। बर्निंग ऑफ वुड, अ कोल causes pollution of air। बी, a liquid fuel used is home is LPG। C, fuel must be heated to its ignition temperature before it starts burning। or D, fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water। आंसर है वाटर। अब हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं आगे का। नंबर 3, explain how the use of CNG automobile has reduced pollution in our cities। इसका आंसर है the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities because CNG does not produce any poisonous gas on burning। That is why pollution in our cities is reduced। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, कंपेयर एलपीजी एंड वुड एज फ्यूल्स। एलपीजी मतलब लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम गैस। आगे आंसर, एलपीजी लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम गैस बर्न्स easily and produce more heat in comparison to wood which it is a clean fuel। It does not produce fume and as wood to LPG can be stored and transported easily and conveniently। आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, गिव रीजन का ए, water is not used to control fire involving electrical equipment। आगे इसका बी, LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood। C, paper by itself catches fire easily where a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminum pipe does not। इसका आंसर है ए, water is not used to control fire produced by electrical equipment because water is conductor of electricity and may result in electric shock। B, LPG is a substance which is readily available। It is cheaper and burns easily in air। At moderate rate it produces large amount of heat and does not leave behind any undesirable substance। और सी है, पेपर कैचेस फायर easily but when it is wrapped around aluminum pipe the ignition temperature does not meet as heat is transferred to aluminum to lower the temperature of paper। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, मेक अ लेवल लेड डायग्राम ऑफ अ कैंडल फ्लेम। इस पे कैंडल का डायग्राम बनाना है, उसके आउटर इनर मिडल वैक्स ये सब नेम लिखने हैं। आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, नेम द यूनिट इज विच द कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू ऑफ अ फ्यूल इज एक्सप्रेस्ड। आंसर, द कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू ऑफ अ फ्यूल इज एक्सप्रेस्ड in kilojoules per kg bracket kj per kg bracket down full stop. Question number 8. Explain how CO2 is able to control fires. Answer. Carbon dioxide being heavier than oxygen. The fire like a blanket since the contact between fuel and oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. The added advantage of carbon dioxide is that most cases it does not harm the electrical appliances. Question number 9. It is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily. Explain. Answer A. Green leaves contain lot of water, so when we try to burn green leaves, water content in the leaf called the combustion material, so that its temperature is brought below its ignition temperature. This prevent the burning of green leaves. In case of dry leaves, water is absent in them. Burning process start as the temperature is raised about the ignition. आगे temperature and leaves catches fire easily. Question number 10. Which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver, and why? Answer A. The goldsmith uses the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic ball pipe for melting gold and silver. The flame's outermost zone has the highest temperature sufficient to melt the gold and silver. Question number 11. In a experiment 4 kg of a fuel was completely burned. The heat produced was measured to be 18 lakh kg. Calculate the calorific of the fuel. Answer. Calorific value of a fuel total is equal to total heat produced per total mass burned. Air mass of fuel is equal to 4.5 kg. Heat produced is equal to 18 lakh kg. Therefore, calorific value of fuel is equal to 18 lakh per 4.5 kg is equal to 14,000 kg per kg. Question number 12. Can the process of rusting be called combustion? Discuss. Yes, process of rusting can be called combustion. In fact, slow combustion, because rusting as also takes place in the air in presence of humidity in the atmosphere. Question number 30. Avide and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Avide kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in the outermost part of the flame. Answer है those will get heated in a shorter time. Answer है the water of Ramesh beaker will get heated in a shorter time because the outermost part of the flame in the hottest. अगर आज की वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, और कुछ डाउट हुआ हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए। बाय बाय।